Good morning, people on YouTube. We're back at it again, always. I broke Chica's car. Actually, no, I didn't break Chica's car. Her car is just broken. I tried to, the other day, I bought her a bunch of, I didn't buy her, sorry. We purchased items for Chica's car. We got front and rear sway bars, CUSCO stuff, and then I got a new transmission mount and a carrier bearing and all kinds of things because I'm chasing a noise. And I joke that we paid for a shell with a good title, because everything it needs: timing belt, water pump, cam seals, crank seals, valve cover. It needs valve stems. It needs everything, right? And then the bottom of the car is no different. I've spent, I needed shocks and coilers. Blah, blah, blah. Anywho, so I figured it's too boaty. I hate 110s and Altezas because they're just boats. But so yeah, sway bars, and I tried to do them. I had a few hours the other day to try to do them, and usually they're a little rusty, and you got to take like the 5mm Allen key and put on the sway bar end link here, and then this is a 14. And normally they're rusty and they always fight me a little bit. But these ones, first time I've ever lost. Both sides just stripped out immediately. It's just solid rust, and I'm like, okay, well I'll take the bottoms off and I'll fight them on. No, I have to cut these off the car. The bottom bolt is just like, the nut is just, the nut's there, but the threads are all gone. It's just rusted. So I bought new sway bar end links for this car, which is, that's not money wasted or whatever. But it's just, I hate having to cut suspension items off on drift cars, off-road trucks all day long. Just the Sawzall is your only tool. But this is gonna be a nightmare. It's gonna suck, and I'm not gonna like it. I'm gonna whine about it. So I'm gonna film it, and you guys can deal with it. But I'm back in my jumpsuit. Oh yeah. This is how I used to be all the time, but now I'm not. And something I was going to say. I don't know. Whatever. Let's do it. Yeah. We're not on a magnet mount. We're on like a little weird tripod spider mount today. So hopefully that's better or different. I'll be listening to music, so this will be a lot of over-the-shoulder stuff, and I'll have to remember to turn down because Chica is telling me she hates doing all the audio tuning on these videos. But bear with me and stick around, and we'll do some stuff, and we'll do some unboxing of the fancy new stuff. But okay, hang tight. Not bad. I hate to waste it, but it is what it is. We're not going to film the other side. Just, it's YouTube magic. Thanks, Mike Lake. And it's done. Everything is cut. The outside is cut and removed. And then the other side was crappier because there's a weird, like the opposite angle, because it's like mirrored. So the grinder wasn't loving it, and I wasn't loving it. Now I'm all covered in metal, but she off. So I'm gonna clean up. But yeah, let's turn around and let's get the sway bar off and just keep installing new parts with anti-seize, so that in the future, if future Jace ever has to take this off, it comes off. Okay. Oh yeah, that's smooth. Old sway bar is out. Don't look at me. Look down here. Fresh out of the box. Stupid. Came with new center things and stuff, because it's quite a bit beefier. I guess I can turn it around the right way. One more. There it is. Yeah. So looks like it's got like the more clearance for if you're a knuckles angle person. I'm not really one of those guys, but it's good. But yeah, quite a bit thicker. This should make this car handle much better. Okay, so I didn't film it, but the front end is fully put together. I got the CUSCO sway bar with the brand new OEM end links on there. It's blue, which is how you know it's good, just like everything else. You'll be happy to know that I use anti-seize on every mating surface for bolts. I even took the 4 mounting bolts out that hold the keepers up on the bar itself to the frame. I took those out individually and anti-seize those, so that I don't foresee me taking this back off anytime soon in this car. I don't think this car is going to get like lower arms or anything crazy on it. The Mark II is, but in the future. But yeah, this is, I mean, so now this has like good new tension rod bushings. It has new ball joints. It has new sway bar end links. It has new coilovers. It has a new sway bar. The only thing it's going to get different is it's going to get the upper control arm. I'm thinking about getting the Serial 9 lower control arms, like the 25 mil ones, because they're like all cast one piece. And I know in the States people would like, oh, cut and weld this and get 40 mil. The difference is that I got to try to pass inspection here, and so those cast ones will look like factory, and so that should pass no problem. And so I'm going to take my new 100 series upper control arms, because they're a little bit shorter. I'm going to put them on Chica's car to give her like 2 or 3 degrees of camber. And I'm going to steal her upper control arms, which are longer, and put them on my car when I get my longer control arms, so I just get track width. I don't really want a whole bunch of camber in the front. That's not necessary for my kind of driving. But I want it to be wider without spacers, and so that way it'll look OEM. So when I get to inspection, I go, oh, okay, that's all Toyota stuff. But it'll actually be like wider. And so that's like a weird shuffle. It's going to come in the next few months. But Serial 9 is back ordered to like August or something. So, anywho, yeah, front end's done. I'm probably, so I had plans. Oh, I'm down. Oh, there's a butterfly. I had plans to do the transmission mount, and I probably still will do that, but I might not film that because I'm under the car and I'll just be yelling the whole time. So, but yeah, I'll probably end this video here because there's plenty of rambling for a Fish Oh Yeah video. Oh, there's my chair. That was the holding surface for the camera earlier. But yeah, so I'll do the transmission mount, and then that's probably all I'm gonna do today because I'm just lazy. And then Chica said she'd take me to a pizza buffet for lunch, so I want to do that. But yeah, so I'll do the transmission mount, and then that way it'll be better than it was, and we can go cruising tonight, and she can go, it's better, and then it'll be better. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I know these are boring. We'll see you next time. Hopefully we're back on schedule. I should have some more free time soon. I got some new job stuff coming up, and I'll get to that later video once it's all official. But we'll see you next time at Fish Oh Yeah. See ya. Boop, boop.